for another tower trick. Here we go! So the first step of this trick is how we start a lot of our tricks, a trapeze, which is just a breakaway throw that we intercept with your non-throw hand pointer finger, and it looks like this. That's the first step. The second step of the trick is not too difficult either. We throw our trapeze, we flatten out our non-throw hand like this, and then we just flip the yo-yo over. You're not really doing anything except you want to keep the yo-yo pretty much in line because you don't want it running into the string. But really, this is the second step, okay? Trapeze, here I am in my trapeze, and I flip it over. The third step of the trick, after you throw your trapeze, flatten out your hand and flip it over, is to hook this string that's coming off of the yo-yo with your thumb on your throw hand. So this is what it looks like here. Okay, it's kind of draped down like a 1.5 mount. You're gonna hook it with your thumb on your throw hand. And that's the third step. Now let's make it interesting. So, trapeze, flip, hook. We're going to pop the yo-yo up and onto the back string. When I say back string, I mean the string that's closest to your belly or your chest. It's coming off of your throw hand. So that middle finger that you have it tied around, that's the string that I want you to hop the yo-yo onto. And that step looks like this. All right, stay with me on this next part, okay? So you're here. You are going to slide your non-throw hand through this loop that's coming around your non-throw hand. You're also going to hook this string. See, that's gonna be at the top of your tower. Just think you're making it into that like triangle shape. You're going to pull this through that big loop, and there is your tower right there. You can even spin around your thumb if you're really flexible, but that is the tower. You can drop it. You're not going to get a knot if you drop it unless you've done the configuration incorrectly, or if your string tension is really tight and it's just getting all knotty just from being tight. So again, trapeze, flip, hook, and back. Then curl and pull through this big loop coming off of your non-throw hand. There's your tower. You can even twist it out like that. If you saw one of my previous tower picture trick tutorials, you might have seen a trick that looks like this. And it's a sideways tower. Now, if you're interested in making this into a combo, you absolutely can with this trick. So what you're going to do is start with that previous trick, which is just a double or nothing. Pull this through, pull this through. Then you're going to underpass the yo-yo and drop, kind of like a keychain though. You're going to swing that keychain towards your non-throw hand, and then you're going to put your non-throw hand pointer in and just switch. Now you're in a trapeze, and you can start the next trick. Just like that. So I actually like incorporating this trick into my combos because a trapeze is so common that you can incorporate it at the beginning or end of a trick, which is really slick. I also like that the tower is so classic and old school. You might not see it in a really techie combo, but if you see it here, it's actually kind of flashy. So if you have questions on anything or the configuration didn't quite make sense to you, leave comments below. Remember to always be respectful, very important to me. And we'll see you next time in the next video. AT Yo-Yo Superstar, signing out. Goodbye, I'm leaving, here I go.